Hi guys, it's Adam from Metro Hobbies here today to talk to you about GodHand products and why they are so amazing. Now these are absolute professional standard tools, not for the faint of heart to try, but they are a great way to make your hobby that much more enjoyable. So let's check out what we got. Alright guys, we'll start off with their pin vise. Now these pin vises they do are really smooth. They fit the drill bits along with the spin mold drill bit, which as you can see I have in here as it has a flat tip. We'll show you this one in action so you can see what it's like on the gun here. So I think that this needs a little bit more detail just back here. So let's get started on that. Now, because this has a very fine little point in there, you can line that up exactly where you want it to be. So I want to get this nice and center. We're just pressing in lightly like that. Beautiful. That's pretty center right there. Yep. And because that part will be the first part that goes in, you can always return. Now, I'm obviously doing this outside of any helping hands or something that would keep this a bit steadier, but as we have to do when we are filming, you have to make do. But you will be able to see once this starts making its mark, there will be the tiny little hole in there, which is a fantastic guide to come back to when you want to make the hole a little bit wider. If you want to use the different width drill bits, this one's about 3.2 mil. Or if you just want to make the hole a little bit deeper, you can come back and go again. So you can see we're starting to break into plastic. So as you can see there guys, we have made it all the way through the actual part there. And you can go a lot less on there if you just want a nice little shallow hole, something akin to that. I would use something like this for along with like 30-minute missions and the like with 3mm pegs, or if you wanted to put armor pieces on a tank, you could definitely get the right drill bit for the right piece there. And as you can see, they are absolutely smooth as anything. They come out really nice, and they're an absolute breeze to use. And now guys, we will move on to their GodHand's line of side cutters. So we'll start off with their basic set. I will be just giving a demonstration for these. So these are the PN 125s. These are their little almost entry grade side cutters. They are double bladed. Quite good value for money with these in terms of how sharp they are. And the blades are nice and strong. We'll be cutting out a piece from the 30-minute missions Spinazio Sengoku type here. So we're going to get this part out here. Now, anyone who's done a Bandai kit before knows the issues with whitening when you get lesser nippers. Now, I like to use the two-cut method to use alongside the second tool here. So there we go. We've got that out there. Now, if I was to cut close with these, it would work. But you would still see a bit of whitening against the plastic there, which is fine. I mean, these are still fantastic side cutters. You can use these for the whole kit if you so desire. But if you want to go the next step up, then you go the SPN 120s here. These are absolutely amazing. These are the ones you hear people rave about all over the internet. These are single bladed nippers. You have the blade on that side and the flat part there, which is what is known as the cutting board. I've been using these for over a year now, and they have changed how I do the hobby. They are absolutely astonishing. Very much a professional standard product right here. So if we cut in close, and you'll see the method here is you want to line the blade up first up the top, and you want to lower the cutting board. And you want to get in nice and close, and you just want to go nice and slow through. Nice and slow, easy cut. And there is absolutely nothing there. These things are astonishing. Granted, that is a small piece, and you don't want to cut big chunks of plastic with these. The only downside to that very fine blade as you can see, it's getting near paper thin there, is they can be a little bit delicate. But if you're smart about how you use these nippers, then it will never be an issue for you. And it does speed up the process of straight build kits out of the box dramatically, just because there's so much less cleanup to be done. Absolutely a brilliant product, one of the best investments I've ever made for my hobby, to be sure. But both are fantastic to use in conjunction. If you're just getting into the hobby, the basics there, the PN125s are still a fantastic set. Nice squishy rubber handle, no issues there. And with the SPN120s, they do also do a lower version, the PN120s, which are a little bit wider blade, still fantastic. This is specifically a new product they've recently brought out. This is for the left-handers amongst us, so you can get a version if you are left-handed as well as right-handed. GodHand has you covered. They are fantastic, and I cannot recommend their products enough. So as you can see, guys, GodHand products are amazing, and they don't just do your side cutters and your pin vices. They do a wide variety of high quality tools. Their sanding products are absolutely amazing. They do them in a variety of different widths in terms of the sponges that are on. They go from 120 grit all the way up to 10,000, which is just incredible. So you can find a grit that matches anything you need. They have that covered. They also have it in the wider side there. They also do, they do everything. They do paintbrushes. They do a wide variety of very strong side cutters for cutting metal. So if you're doing electronic work and the like, they have your back there. They do just about everything. Everything you can imagine in the hobby, they have it covered. So thanks for joining me today, guys. Don't forget to check out our website, metrohobbies.com.au, for all your awesome GodHand products. And come on down to our stores and say g'day. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks a lot.